Hey, how's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I showed you the step-by-step how you can balance the wheel of your motorcycle at home. Let's get started. Now, in order to do this job, you need to have a specific tool. The one that I have in here is the wheel balancing tool from Motion Pro. I've been using for about 8 years. I'm not sponsored by the brand. If you decide to get the same, that's up to you, but I get no commission or money if you do it. I'm just happy with it. In addition to the tool, you also need to have some wheel weights. So the wheel weights that I have in here, they have an adhesive in the back, and each weight in here weighs 3.5 grams. So that's what you need to stick to the wheel. We're going to figure out where it's necessary, and then you're going to stick them in the correct place. But that's pretty much it. It's a straightforward job. It should take you about 10 minutes to do this. The best way to do it, as always here I like to do in the channel, is just to explain. So the idea, you see that my wheel right now is settled, okay? So it's not moving, it's not spinning. And by coincidence, I have exactly here at the very bottom, that's where I have my valve stem. So the valve stem is the heaviest part. And how can we be sure about this? Because if I move the wheel to this direction, and then I stabilize it, and I let it go, you see that the heaviest part of the wheel is going to always come back to the bottom. So here's the valve stem, is right there, and now it's coming back once again, and it will go over, and I'm sure it's going to go back, and eventually it's going to settle down once again with the valve stem right here at the bottom, so at the 6 p.m. position. So that is the heaviest part of my wheel. What we have to do now is to offset that. So this means we are going to add weight to the opposite side in order to bring this balance to its correct place. So let's do this. In order for you to be able to visualize that better, what I'm going to do is just to take here a tape, a white tape, but you don't need to do that when you're doing it at home. This is just in order to make it easier for you to visualize. But I'm going to stick this tape at the heaviest point. So here it is. Should be easier for you to do it. When you're sticking these weights, it's just important that your wheel is clean. So in case it is not clean, just make sure you get a cloth, and then you're going to clean at the position where you're going to stick them. And you will want to stick the weight at this very top edge. So of course you don't stick it here on the side of your wheel, you stick it on the inside. Just find a flat surface, and that's where you're going to add the weight. Another thing that I like to do, if I have to add more than one weight, I will add one to this side and then the next one on the opposite side, just to keep it balanced as well on both sides. So I just need to peel off this adhesive tape, and then I'm going to stick the opposite side. Now I don't think that's going to be enough, but we can even go and test. If I now do the same, it's still, in here it's heavier, so I'm going to speed up the process. I already take the next one. Now I go on the opposite side. So far I have added 7 grams. Let's test again. So still heavier. Let me take an additional 2 weights. So see, it already got better. I think we're almost there. So if I bring it to the other side, okay, it's already much better. See that it takes much longer now just for the heaviest part to get to the bottom. Okay, so let's test it again. Okay, so that's a good sign. It has already stopped, and you see here, so this heavy point has not dropped. I'm going to test on the opposite side. Same idea. Stabilized. I'll test just in a few more positions. So it's moving a little bit, but I'm happy with this. It already stopped. It was just at the beginning. One more point. Also fine. And now here all the way at the top. Also fine. That's how to balance the wheel of your motorcycle at home. If you like this video, I think you're going to like the next one that is here on the screen. Bye bye.